Hello, I am Cristi Muro, and this is one of the videos I created to explain what's new in Future Pack 2508. In this video, I'm going to show you that SAP now lets you to set a freight type as inactive. This is useful when you have all freight types that you don't want users to select anymore, but you also don't want to delete them because they were used in past documents. Let me show you that. So let's open the freight setup window. So I'm going to go to Administration, Setup, General, and Freight. As you can see here, now we have a new column, Active. So I'm going to choose one freight code that I don't need anymore. So I'm going to inactivate the number 1 freight, and I'm going to click on Update. So instead of removing it, I can mark it as inactive, and now this is not going to be available when creating purchasing or sales documents. So now that it's inactive, I'm going to go to create a purchase order. So I'm going to go to Purchasing, I'm going to minimize this one, and I'm going to go to Purchasing, Purchase Order. Here I select the vendor. And here in the freight section, I'm going to click on the yellow arrow to open the freight section. And as you can see here, I don't have the freight that I have set as inactive. So once it's inactive, users won't be able to choose it when they create sales or purchasing documents, but the system still keeps the historical data. So the main point here is, you can now keep your old freight codes for history, but hide them from new transactions by simply setting them as inactive. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching.